Kia ora koutou. Here we are at the next video about negation. In this video, I'll be showing you how to negate Rerehāngū, passive sentences, with some practical examples that can help you start using these structures straight away. In the video about Rerehāngū, I showed you how to structure the passive sentence structure by creating a tū mahi hāngū using a selection of pīmuri or passive suffixes, and then rearranging the order of the sentence to create the Rerehāngū. Coming up next, I'm going to show you how to negate them. Let's start with our affirmative Rerehāngū, I whiua te poro e te tama. To negate it, we'll start off with our kupu whakaka Kāore. Now we're going to move the taunga of the sentence forward, which you'll remember is the thing the action is being done to, which is the ball. Now we shift the tohu negation partner for I, which is still I, and its tū mahi hāngū, which is whiua, still with its pīmuri hāngū attached, into the negated sentence. Lastly, our kaimahi stays in the same position at the end of the sentence. Because in the Rerehāngū structure the main emphasis is on the taunga, we're not saying the boy didn't throw something, we're just saying he didn't throw the ball. Maybe he actually threw a frisbee or a rubber duck. All we know for this example is that he didn't throw the ball. Here's a few more examples using a variety of tense markers. These have been taken from our original video about Rerehāngū, with a couple of extra examples thrown in. I've negated them to show you the different negation partners. I've highlighted the taunga in each sentence so you can see how its position in the sentence changes. Negating passive instructions is done in the same way that we would negate a non-passive instruction, which is done by using kaua e. Here's an example. We'll go with the negative imperative, don't feed the animals. The affirmative word would be whangaia, ngā kararehe. And all we have to do to negate that is add kaua e. Don't feed the animals. Here's another couple of examples. Kaua e whakatūwhiratia te matapihi I te tari. Kaua e patua tēnā taramu. And kaua e tukua te imera ki te katoa. Nā reira, koina tākou whakamārama e pāna ki ngā whakakahore o ngā Rerehāngū. I hope you found this video helpful. If you like this and any of my other videos, please take a moment to subscribe. Ka nui te mihi kia koutou katoa. Hei konā.